Hi everyone, I'm Peter Camille, Head of Product at Acumen, and today I'm going to show you how to build an application that combines using Matic for on-chain transactions and MoiBit for off-chain storage. So MoiBit is a personal decentralized secure storage network, and Matic is a product that brings massive scale to Ethereum using an adapted version of Plasma with proof-of-stake based sidechains. And when you use them together, you get the power of immutability and provenance of a blockchain with the performance and reliability needed for enterprise-ready applications. So I'm going to start by showing you how to sign up for MoiBit, and then Sai, our developer, will walk you through the rest of the tutorial to build a sample app that adds files to the MoiBit network, records the transaction on the Matic network, and then verifies that the file has not been altered or tampered with in any way. All right, so let's get started with the tutorial. So from the GitHub account, you're going to want to first sign up for MoiBit. So you'll click here. It'll take you to the MoiBit sign up screen where you'll be getting 100 megabytes of free space. You'll enter in your name, email, password, click submit, and you'll get a verification email. Welcome to MoiBit. You'll verify your email, enter in your password that you used to sign up. And then this will give you access to your account details where you'll get your API key and secret and your API URL that you'll use in the API. And then you want to make sure that you have MetaMask downloaded, so you can download it here, and then you can check and make sure that in MetaMask you're using Matic. And then from here, Sai will take over.
So let's get started with the app. To make it simple, I already executed this first command. So just open that app, go to that particular repo, and open it in your favorite editor. Let's see what else are required. And this is a Matic JS you have to install alongside Web3. Once done with it, install a Matic bundle of MoiBit, and then you can use your favorite UI framework. I'm making use of semantic UI React, and file saver. You might use it for downloading any file written. So for your information, we are practicing the same repo structure that is being there for sample tab. So let's go and create the folders and files if it is not there. So let's copy this page and under source, create a container. Which will render this file, and under source.component, tables.js, which is like a reusable component for rendering the list of files, and under that import model.js, which will render the file, and under that layout.js. So let's just import the like our component in app.js. So for convenience purpose, I'm importing the same CSS that is being used by the sampled app. So let's go to source and then app.css and edit it your repo. And make sure that you have injected the semantic UI CSS. So this is the URL. Yep, here you go. So before running the app, make sure you have to, as mentioned in the second prerequisite, you have to import your API key and secret under source.middleware.credentials.js. So let's create a folder under source saying middleware, under that credentials, where you will be importing your API key and secret. So let's go and see where you are making use of these credentials and where actually where we are actually calling MoiBit and Matic together. So here is this code snippet where you will be instantiating the Matic object which you have imported, which requires a parent provider and Matic provider as a mandatory fields, where parent provider is like Robston, which is recommended by Matic, and also Matic provider, which is being injected by the MetaMask from the browser. So once you instantiated the Matic, you have to pass that Matic object to the files module, which is being imported from MoiBit.js Matic bundle. So once you've done that, you have to pass your credentials as a custom URL as a first parameter, and second parameter as a combination of API key and API secret. So as we have imported credentials, let's go ahead and run the application. For that, you need to enter npm start. Cool. As my account is fresh, my inbox is empty. So I will be showing you how we can upload a large size file such as HD images into MóiBit and link it directly to the DApp that is running on the Matic network. So let me go ahead and import a 3.4 MB of file size and submit. Where this provenance is being returned to the Matic network, you got a confirmation. So quickly go ahead and open that particular transaction in the Matic Explorer. Yeah, this is the block that is being recorded in Matic network. So once you see that, this is the app ID of the user who has confirmed it, and this is the name of the file, and this is the multi-hash of the file, and this is like a user-defined field where I have added this particular image. So congrats, we can now run the app to observe that once file is uploaded, the provenance is being returned to the Matic sidechain. You can able to see the file only if the on-chain hash matches with the off-chain hash. So here is the file. To explore more options about this verified column like past, file, and verified, you can go through the sample dump link that we have provided in the video description.
Thanks for the great tutorial, Sai. So I hope everyone enjoyed the tutorial. This is just the beginning. Now it's up to you. Go build great DApps using Matic and MoiBit for on-chain transactions and off-chain storage. You can build supply chain applications, DApps. Go out there and the sky's the limit. It's up to you to go build the next great DApp. Thanks very much.